Hey pups, RP here. Today, I'm gonna give you all artsy puppers some tips on anatomy practice. Since I started drawing more often at the age of 14, started my DeviantArt account, and almost 16 years old, I've seemed to have a major improvement in my artwork since then. Of course, it was the help of how to draw books and looking at anatomy references online as well as drawing tutorials. And of course advice given to me by my friend Charlie. But sometimes, you gotta look at the books, images, and even videos that are right for your art style. Some examples that help me to improve my cutesy cartoonish style are how to draw Pokemon books, cartoon drawing tutorials, and random art videos, and manga and anime drawing books as well. Most of these examples are hopefully going to help you as much as they have helped me. Since I bought my first Pokemon How to Draw book at my elementary school's book fair, they've been pretty helpful throughout the years. These books have an amazing grasp on anatomy studies that can really help a future artist. From Pokemon, straight up to manga and anime, they've helped me come a long way. If How to Draw books don't have what you're looking for, you can always rely on Google Images, on anatomy references, drawing tutorials, etc. And you don't have to just look up anime or manga. It can be cartoon, realistic, comic book, whatever you want to practice and or fits your style. If most of you are like me, you love looking up random tutorials on YouTube. And of course, there are art tutorials out there that can really help out many future artists. How to draw videos are especially helpful for those who are looking for specific ones. Again, like with the second option, there's many choices you can choose from. Cartoony, realistic, comic, etc. Again, whatever fits your art style and whatever you want to practice. And I believe that's all the tips I have for this video. I apologize if it was short, but it was short, sweet, simple, and to the point. Alrighty, that time again. Today's fan art is by HubboPhoenix96. I gotta admit, the redesign is a perfect 100 out of 10. It's beautiful. As always, links are in the description as well as my social media, so feel free to check them out, and give me a follow please. This is RP reminding you to stay awesome, stay strong, and stay beautiful.